Well, it is the Trump administration that has outlined plans to implement that 50% tariffs on products from India in a draft notice that has now been issued and published. Now, the notice says that the increased taxes would hit Indian products that are entered for consumption or withdrawn from warehouses as far as consumption is concerned. And that's going to start at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and that starts on the 27th of August. Now, Trump administration has officially issued that notice regarding the imposition of that additional 25% tariffs, and that is something he's gone on to say that basically this is in response to threats to the United States by the government of the Russian Federation, and India was being targeted as part of that policy. Rishabh joining us in order to get us the latest on this. Rishabh, the clock is ticking. We have less than 24 hours to go. There seems to be no change and no sort of U-turn, at least so far, because that notice has also been issued to India, while Prime Minister Modi has gone on to say that everyone really needs to look out for themselves.
Right. At this point in time, it does seem that the 50% tariffs will be coming in, though they are open to negotiation, that there might be some sort of those tariffs coming down at a later stage. But for now, the 50% tariffs stay in place. That is according to the official White House notice that has come out. It will be fortifying this 50% tariff that kicks in starting August 27. Remember, back home, from all quarters of the government, you have External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar come out and say that talks are still on, though there are red lines that should not be cut. You have Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal, who has come out and said that the US is a consequential partner. Those ties are important, and talks are on. There were issues, but there are remedies being taken to sort of better those issues as well. And you had the Prime Minister Narendra Modi come out yesterday and say that there are economic interests being intertwined with politics all across the world. That was a veiled reference to Trump's tariffs, but he said that the government has the back of its farmers, of its MSMEs, of its entrepreneurs, and India will not buckle down under any sort of pressure coming in terms of market access. So you have clear commentary coming in on the fact that even in the face of these tariffs, there are measures and there are ways that the Indian government is exploring, A, to also remedy this relationship with the US, and B, also to cushion this tariff hit that might be coming in over the next few days. You have an export promotion mission that is in the works, roughly 25,000 crores worth of SOPs over a period of 6 years meant for exporters that will be coming out very, very soon. So you have from all fours of the government, from all quarters, you have this reassurance that this tariff hit won't be a death knell to MSMEs or exporters.
Rishabh, never say never when it comes to Donald Trump. We'll just have to wait and watch over the next 24 hours. And of course, it's Prime Minister Modi standing his ground, saying that India would withstand the economic pressure as it continues to strengthen its resilience. So that is what Prime Minister Modi is saying, that India won't compromise on the interests of the farmers, like Rishabh was pointing out, particularly small businesses. And in this world dominated by economic self-interest, everyone looks out for themselves. Listen in to what Prime Minister Modi had to say.
मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी। दबाव कितना ही क्यों ना आए, हम झेलने की अपनी ताकत बढ़ाते जाएंगे। मैं आपसे एक बार फिर अपना आग्रह दोहराना चाहता हूं, और आज पूज्य बापू की धरती से देशवासियों से भी मैं बार बार आग्रह कर रहा हूं, हमें जीवन के अंदर एक मंत्र बनाना है। हम जो भी खरीदेंगे वो मेड इन इंडिया होगा, स्वदेशी होगा। घर की साज सज्जा के लिए जो भी सामान हो, मेड इन इंडिया हो।